Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I did this pink Valentine's Day inspired date night look, just keep watching. First thing I want to do is set my face with this Revolution banana powder. I was planning on doing a pink Valentine's Day look, so I'll be using the Beauty Killer palette from Jeffree Star and the Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow palette. First palette I'll be using is the Violet Voss Pro. I'm going to go in with my EB09 Sedona Lace brush in Thanks a Latte, and I'm just going to put that all over my eyelid. Second color I want to go into is Wine and Dine. Next color I want to go into is in the Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette. It is called Star Power, and it's this pretty bright, like kind of neon pink. Now with my Sedona Lace EB09 brush, I'm going to go into Teddy Bear in the Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow palette. And I'm just going to try to define my crease a little bit with it. I don't want it to be a main color. I just kind of want it for definition and for shadow. Okay, now with a flat brush, I'm going to use this Luxie 239 Precision shader, and I'm going to go into Thanks a Latte. I'm just going to try to pack this, and I'm just going to try to pack it onto my lid and brighten all of that up. Same Luxie 239 Precision shader, I'm going to go back into Star Power, and I'm going to put that right there, kind of blend that out a little bit. Alright, and under my eyes, I'm going to go in with that same shader brush I've been using, the Luxie 239 Precision shader. And I'm going to go into the Star Power in the Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette, and I'm just going to drag that right under my waterline and my bottom lash line. So now I'm just brushing my powder off of my face. Now I'm going to use some setting spray. I'm going to use my NYX matte finish spray. And with a wet, clean sponge, I'm just going to go over that and tap the powder that was left in my face. I'll be using my Wander Beauty Wondrous Dusted On palette. I'm going to be using Havana Nights. I kind of want to use my Pure Cosmetics Pure Sculptor palette. I'm just going to go into my favorite contour shade. It's the Inventor. For highlighter, I'm going to use my favorite, the Ofra Cosmetics Nikki Tutorials Everglow highlighter. I'm going to be using all 3 shades today. I usually don't. I usually only use these 2 down here, but I kind of want that copper type color. I also want to use that highlighter to highlight my inner corners and my brow bone, except I'm only going to use these 2 bottom shades for that. I'm going to be using my Wander Beauty Unlash mascara. I want to use my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in White. Now I want to add some eyelashes off camera. For my lips, I'm going to be using the NYX Cosmetics Liquid Suede in Sandstorm. Alrighty, now I'm going to finish up with my NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. Alrighty guys, that is it for this look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I will be posting at least 2 more Valentine's Day inspired looks. As always, thanks for watching.